Okay, so let's start with the valedictory ceremony. It's not a ceremony, we'll simply communicate about the last 6 days that we have just completed. First of all, I thank you very much for all the participants who joined this 6 days. AICTE sponsored FDP on control systems and sensor technology. So we have typically selected this control systems and sensor technology to make it as broad as possible and to cover more and more area of electrical, electronics, and even mechanical engineering. So most of you are obviously from electrical engineering department, I believe. So we have tried to distribute the sessions so that most of the aspects are covered, and that to recent developments like smart grids, microgrids on the first day. Then Professor Janet Patel, who delivered a very nice session on design, basically, right from the scratch, designing of a 48 volt DC power source, right, which is generally used for EVs and electric vehicles and all. Apart from that, sessions on process control, which is handled by Hiren Patel sir. So process control is something that addresses almost all the industries, right, from chemical process control to many other manufacturing divisions. Today's session, Arya sir, he was about to deliver on, I think, Wednesday, but it was rescheduled to today. So on DStatCom, which addresses the control of harmonics on power systems. Similarly, Dr. Nimesh Javeri also delivered on control of harmonics on power systems. Active noise cancelling, a very nice session delivered by Dr. Nitin George from IIT Gandhinagar. So we have diversified the field so that most of you will get a flavor of control system in different aspects of engineering. I hope it was very interesting and it delivered its objective of knowledge sharing. So I request Principal Sir, Dr. Piyush Jain, to say a few words.
Good afternoon to all of you.
Good afternoon.
So, this concluding session of this FDP Control System Sensors Technology, 17th February to today. And first of all, I congratulate FDP coordinator, Deepara Sahib, co-coordinator, head of the department, Nayak sir, for such a wonderful organization. And this organization needs a lot of time. It begins with one methodology of the AICTE to send the proposal, and with that proposal must be a very quality product so that they would be impressed, and they shortlist that one and approve and recognize this institute for this offline ATAL FDP. And then after a lot of processes occur, you have to do the contact with the experts. You have to diversify the expert. You have to select the experts, which is very relevant to this FDP. So it seems that the work is easier, but it is not as easier as it feels. It's very complicated work. And special congratulations to the coordinators that they also reinforced their network in the Directorate of the Technical Education. And this FDP is also recognized by the DTE and uploaded, and due to that factor, some government friends is also the participant. So that is also a very hardworking part. Congratulate to them. As a principal, this is the stage for me to communicate something about this institute. Whatever we tried our best, and my pleasure to share with you. This year, as you know, in this academic year 2025-25, we secured 5 AICTE ATAL FDPs. That is a remarkable accomplishment among institutes across the Gujarat, because all over Gujarat, that count is not 100, even that count is not 50, even that count is not 25. The count is around 10 to 15, which is approved. Out of that 10 to 15, 6 is approved of the single institute. Electrical department received 2 FDPs, one online and one offline. Computer, chemical and civil department secured the 1 FDP. So that is a milestone for milestone of this year 24-25. I think all will be very concerned with me this institute. Second, which I would like to reflect, which I would like to share with you, that is also very remarkable news, that this institute established in 2008. The first batch passed out in the 2012, and then after 12 to 24, when we count the 13 years, this institute secured 23 GTU gold medalists. So this 23 numbers is the highest number as such, whatever I information have. And for the last 2 years, the year 23 and 24, in single year, 3 students secured the gold medal. It means 23 3 students, 24 3 students. So we are doing the hat trick for the last 2 years. And we wish that in the year 25, again our 3 students would have the gold medalist, and we will do the hat trick of the hat trick. That is the second. This is the information I would like to share. Third one, these all achievements is of the previous year. 23rd October 2025, SNPIT, this institute successfully organized mega job fair, setting a new benchmark for the success. Total 743 candidates attended that mega job fair of the 23 institutes. 51 companies was invited who participated, and 320 candidates selected through the mega job. Highest package that was offered in that mega job fair, it was around 7.5 lakh per annum as a training. Additional to that one, last year on 14 July 24, we conducted the alumni meet, and many of our students who participated in the alumni meet, and they were very they appreciated our efforts. So in this way, every year we try our best to do something innovative, something new. Recently, in the GATE 2024 examinations, one chemical student, Vikas Shah, secured All India rank 331, and right now he is placed in the public sector company with the package of the 15 lakh per annum. So thank you all very much to avail me this opportunity to share my views with you, and thank you very much to all the participants who shared their valuable time with us and participated with us. Thank you very much, all of you. And as I conveyed in the inaugural speech, that this is the platform which is not dominated by the SNPIT employees, it is not dominated by the BGD campus employees. It is very well shared. So I hope that your network, your interaction would be boosted up through this FDP. Your technical knowledge would be somehow improved with this FDP. And as we belong to the academic field, we would be having the very healthy and very interactive relations even in the future. Thank you very much.
now I invite the participant to share their views about this FDP. Please, anyone? Now.
Yeah, good afternoon all. Myself, Nim Navle, Assistant Professor at GC Dahod. Actually, NFDB has main two objectives. First one is networking and second one is knowledge sharing. But I have third one which is personal. I will not share with you. The FDP was organized and it was very well structured. I think the team has taken a very pain to organize this event. In this, actually, all the experts were from very good academic backgrounds, and one industrial visit at Velox Automation. It was a good addition in this FDP, where we got real-life experience of the IoT and automation industries. And one thing more, that we are provided timely break for the teas and lunch. And I am very thankful to the Dr. Ravi Sirpara sir, coordinator, Dr. Chirag sir, because they have forced all the participants to be seated and attend all the sessions sincerely. That's from my side, and I would like to see more FDPs at this institute in future regarding the topics that we have given in the feedback. I thank the principal of the institute who has also given his contribution to organize this FDP very well. Thank you.
Thank you. Please, anyone else?
Good afternoon. Myself, Anjay Dimma from Government Engineering College, Bharuch. First of all, congratulations to the team, because such a kind of arrangement is a very difficult task. And I'm traveling 80 kilometers daily to attend this FDP. But when I enter this campus, the atmosphere is such that it's okay, fine, 5 दिन निकल जाएंगे. So it's yes. So it's a dynamic, so it's okay. It's okay to dialogue, because at the starting I think I have to stay over here, but it's fine over. If I'm talking about technical things, each and every session has its own content. I want to share about session of Akshay Mehta sir, who suggest each and every example in such a way that we must have to go for a research on it. So it was the very nice session. And second, I want to note down for the today's session, which was very deeply in the case of converter. As the started, I expect more and more at the end of 2.5 hours. And at the end of 2.5 hours, I just think, ye reh gaya. So I request the both of these coordinators, please invite us if the second time any kind of FTP over here, and I'm always ready to come over here for any kind of FTP, whether it is online or offline. At the last, very much thankful to the team electrical degree as well as diploma sir. So very thank you for your cooperation, and thank you very much, and congratulations sir for this achievement. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir. Is anyone from this side? From our staff? You may.
A very good afternoon to one and all present, honorable principal sir, organizing team members, and my dear all faculty members. I am Dr. Ami Patel, working as assistant professor especially the organizing team, principal sir, and mainly ATAL Academy for organizing and for providing such an excellent learning platform. And a special thank to Commissioner of Technical Education Gandhinagar and as well as Government Engineering College Bharuch for the support and the approach. Even though all the speakers and resource persons, I mean the invited by the organizing team are very excellent, and though the very insight, knowledgeful and actively engaged, which includes as the Chirag sir have initially declared that smart grid instrumentation, active noise cancellation technique, adaptive control method, stochastic, smart grid, then harmonics. Today's session was that is B platform, holistic approach for the control system, industrial visit at Velox, then industrial efficiency and the sustainability. That was by the first water company that have ever seen. That is the Xylem. So very well organized FDP. So technically inside we got so many things to learn, even though for the students, even as a part of the research point of view. Including with that journal, the article discussion session was particularly engaging. And even though I appreciate the selection of the journal was highly appropriate. But however, I feel that if one team was suggested for at least one, a research paper, at least one only, and other would be followed by a cross-referencing, because whenever we are referring a one paper, and if we have to write a strengthened and a comprehensive review, so we must have to refer the references. So on the first day that paper was assigned, that is more than 25 plus or 20 plus pages, and we are having 2 pages of references list. So when I started to read the stochastic dynamic system, so first we have to understand the spherical coordinates and the longitude, latitude, even though the altitude even, because it was in the spherical coordinate system. So we have to cross references starting from the first, then second, and then some of them were still, it was not the open access. So if that I feel that, so in the next following days, that maybe 4 or 5 cross references may be given assigned for a team, then we are having a comprehensive strengthened review. So but that was a very engaging and very grateful new exercise for as a learner or as a teacher. So thank you very much for the selection of the journals once again. And apart from the training, I think we how can we forget our energy boosters that we all know, that is the food. So it means that the SNPIT Umrah have not only provided a learning platform, but they have served different varieties of food. Because we all know that as a good juice, not at all foodie, but still at least we are famous for the tasty, healthy and the delicious food. Okay, so thank you very much. Thank you for inviting us. Thank you.
Thank you very much, madam. Hopefully we'll do that in the next FDP if possible, if AICTE permits us. We believe that they will definitely permit. Anyone else who want to give us feedback? Your feedback will help us. Anyways, okay. Anyway, we have already taken your written feedbacks too, so hopefully we'll use that. And thank you very much for giving detailed feedbacks too. And I request coordinator Dr. Ravi Shepara sir to give vote of thanks.
Okay, thank you participants. I hope this voluntarily will open new research direction in your research academics, and you continue your research. It means you have go on research path and join PhD and write some papers. And in this way you can share with your students. So next time if we apply for the FDP and it's selected by the ATAL FDP, we welcome again you for become a participant and enjoy the FDP. Okay, and one more announcement. We have one IST supported conference, state level conference on 3rd May 2025. That is first Saturday. First Saturday.
We are hosting.
We are hosting that conference. So we invite for research paper. We will share brochure and all these details. So try to submit some papers, research paper for participating event of IST. Okay. Thank you.
And welcome.
Yeah.
We have just received the confirmation from IST. So we are in the formulation of topics, trends, and themes, etc. It is very recent, and this must be the first forum where we are sharing. So in short period of time, we will have the theme, tracks, everything available.
We will share.
On 27th of February, Dr. Sachin Parekh sir, he is also having a very good prestigious position, FX position from the Gujarat state. And 27th February, we as a host institute meeting with that executive committee meeting. In that meeting, the theme of the convention would be finalized. And then after we will share the trifold of this convention with all the institute of the Gujarat. And as based on the theme, there will be the paper presentation, and you can submit your paper with the due date, which would be around the in the last week of the March. Or up to the second week of the April, and then 3rd May is date finalized by the IST meeting. So that is
Sachin sir is president of IST Gujarat chapter, Gujarat section.
last
So I
week of
think
February.
he will allow you.
એમને કીધું કે સર્કલ બહાર પાડે કે those who want to get attend they can take permission only. It is not required on that day.
એટલે એમાં અમારે કેવું નહીં
બરાબર.
એ એલાવ કરશે તો
If it is in the hybrid mode. Sir, if it is in the hybrid mode.
अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता